Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to change your cPanel password in HostGator. But before that, I want to let you know that you can access my HostGator course within my university for free. Inside this HostGator course, you will learn things like how to get started with your HostGator shared hosting, how to manage your website and email account, and also how to optimize your WordPress performance inside HostGator. Plus, you'll get access to my other available courses and also the upcoming ones. To join my university today for free, just go to university-bensexperience.com, link in the description. In order to change your cPanel password in HostGator, you should first log in to your cPanel. To do so, click on Settings under your website, go to Advanced, and scroll down and click on Manage under cPanel. Inside cPanel, scroll down to Preferences and click on Password and Security. To change your cPanel password, give them your old password and enter your new one. After that, click on Change your password now. To encourage me make more videos, don't forget to like this video and subscribe.